After we get the pointer for TouchManager, now we can bind events in TouchManager, and let's do it. We can bind event, and we have different events here. On top, drag, and for example, let's start from tap, which is the default one. We can add binding just with bind event or assigned event that can save you some time. Sign on tap, and here we have automatically the event with needed parameters, because here we can have like float variables and stuff like that. And on tap we want to print a message. Message will be just simple tap, and let's test how it works. You can see we have tap events every time when we tap. Something more unique, let's bind or assign, and on double tap. But read documentation about the double tap events and tap, because we have here variables and limitation. X to tap, and I pressing 1, nothing, but too fast taps we have event. And it's the same works with the touches on your phone. And it's double tap. There is a limitation for time and distance from first position and second. Let's bind another one. It will be a swipe. It's maybe should be more interesting. Assign on swipe. The same we have bind for 2D. It will have only the direction of 2D screen. But here we can print from enum the direction where we're swiping. Let's check. Swiping top, top left, top right, left, right, right down, down, top. You can see it works when I press and just move fast the touch. It works with 8 different directions. Let's bind right now to the rotate, but rotate and pinch we are not able to debug in the editor because it's 2-finger events, but I can show them, but you need to build it on your phone to be able to have on the screen 2 phones and make rotation or pitch to zoom in or zoom out. Bind and rotate. After binding, it also can save you time when you will take this red line and add event, because it will automatically add the needed rotate like variables, and it's much more easy to not make mistakes. But on rotate we cannot use and debug in editor. It works on the phone. And let's bind on pinch. And the same float value we have, and it's pinch binding, and now we can get drag. Assign on drag. And when I'm pressing and holding, we have the location where it's happening. And with this we can just move object like on the second level with cube with 1 finger. And that's how you can easily bind and use events. More you can also check in the TouchManager project and mostly showcase, because some parts they done with the acceleration, for example, or binding and unbinding, and it's much better showcase, I think. Also from the dispatchers you can bind and unbind them to be able to add events and remove them. And also from unbinding you are able to unbind all events or only one. It's important because if you have 10 instances and they are binded, for example, to rotation, all will have rotation at the same time. But if you don't like or don't want to do like this, you can unbind all, and you don't need to have a reference for all 10 instances. You will unbind automatically from all of them. And hopefully it's helpful, and thank you for watching.